Once upon a time, in a small city in Pakistan, there lived a brave little boy named Amish. Amish was just 4 years old when he had his very first day of school. He was a bit nervous, but also excited to embark on this new adventure. Amish had a loving family, including his father, mother, and his adorable 2-year-old brother, Isaac. On that memorable day, Amish's father decided to take him to school on his motorbike. As they rode through the streets, Amish clung tightly to his father's back, feeling a mixture of fear and anticipation. When they arrived at the school gate, Amish's father gently parked the motorbike and helped him get off. As Amish's father handed him over to his teacher, Amish suddenly burst into tears. He was scared to be away from his family, in an unfamiliar place filled with new faces. His cries echoed through the schoolyard, causing his father's heart to ache. Deep down, Amish's father knew that he had to leave his son to embrace his future, but it was a difficult moment for both of them. With a heavy heart, Amish's father wiped away his tears, trying to be strong for his little boy. He assured Amish that everything would be alright, that he would come back to pick him up at the end of the day. Amish's father held his son's hand for one last moment, offering him words of encouragement and love. Then, with a sad expression but hopeful eyes, he walked away, leaving Amish in the care of his teachers. As the day went on, Amish slowly started to feel more comfortable in his new surroundings. The other children welcomed him with open arms, and his teacher's kind words and warm smile helped ease his anxiety. Amish began to participate in classroom activities, making new friends and discovering the joy of learning. Years passed by, and Amish grew older. He worked hard in school, never forgetting the support and sacrifice his father had made on that very first day. Amish's determination and perseverance paid off, as he successfully completed his CA and TER exams. He was now ready to take the next step in his career and begin his articleship, a crucial phase in becoming a chartered accountant. Looking back, Amish realized that his journey started with that tearful yet significant first day of school. It taught him to be courageous, to face challenges head-on, and to never give up. Amish was grateful for his father's unwavering belief in him and his dreams. Today, as Amish continues to pursue his dreams and make his family proud, he carries the lessons he learned on that first day of school with him. He cherishes the memories of his father's love, sacrifice, and the strength it took to let him go. Amish knows that his father's faith in him will always guide him on the path to success, no matter how challenging it may be. Guy's story is still to be continued, a second part about Amish's 2 years younger brother Isaac.